streaming. Will you be here during the streaming? That is okay. You also may want to know turkey liver. Turkey liver. Doesn't it? Don't you lie to me. Oranges. 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 Alrighty, YouTube. Welcome to Blender Academy's latest BALM. We are creating a robot. Who is ready to make a robot? I am aware that there is not a single soul here, but that is okay because one day this energy will be appreciated. Alrighty then. Let's begin with our robot. But before we do, we're going to see just who all is going to be here. Let me look. Why am I using that trackpad? I should be using this trackpad. There's the mouse. And I found the mouse and we are clicking on our friend to find out if he will even be in the live stream. Hello Tyler, will you be in the live stream? Will you be in the stream, buddy? Yes, let's say buddy. There we go. We are live now with a capital cow and a unibrow. Maybe a little bit, pal. Okie dokie. And he says he guesses he will be here, so I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to give him a link, because if he doesn't have a link, how can he show up? So that's what we're going to do now. And enter. There's the live stream. Let me look here. You're full of energy today. Yes, I am. You have to be in order to live stream, my friend. Alrighty then. This personality might get a little bit annoying to some of these people, but I feel like it sort of reminds me of Markiplier. So I'm going with it. A 3D modeling Markiplier. Wouldn't that be quite the thing to go with? Okay. Now, I don't see where oh, this is coming from your Skype. By the way, everybody, if you haven't noticed, I'm kind of on Skype. I'm doing a lot of things right now. None of which is dirty. But, let's move forward. Blender! We are creating a robot model. And the robot model is a model of robot. And it is going to be a marvelous model of robot of botness. Let's stop saying bot. Okay. So as you can see, we have some chest plates and some ab plates and spinal whatever that is. And I don't know what those are. Shoulder blade covers? Either way, we are supposed to be working on some arms and legs now. Not the actual mechanical working parts, but just the paneling. So let's go ahead and work on the paneling and maybe the hips and legs. How does that sound to the everybody who is not here right now? I thought so. Let's begin. So the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to click on something or other. And we are going to actually... You know what? Let's click on... No. That is a wonderful thing to hear, voice that people can't hear. There we go, numpad finally got with the program, and now we are in side view. Is there a Tyler in the stream today? Let us look. I see Drake Star, it says present. Welcome, Drake Star. Let me know if Molly will be joining us, because I have no response. Okay, back to Blender while we're at it. And actually, I'm going to hit the sound button over here in the stream so I can actually hear what I am saying and hear where everybody is. Okay, that's not too far behind. I mean, it's a bit far behind, but it's not too far behind, and Tyler should be hearing his name shortly. Also, how far back is my phone? What is my phone doing? My phone is at 100% and I have a kick message and I am highly distracted. Hello, YouTube. This is the best time to live stream. Let me look here just for a short moment. Can you just tell me potatoes this way? We potatoes. Yeah, I'm gonna not answer that right now. Now, back to our precious... Oh, there is Tyler. He's saying words. Wonderful. People on Skype are cracking up, my dear friends. And that is wonderful. If I am as hilarious as people on Skype think I am, then I am doing quite well. And I might just be the next Markiplier. Only a 3D modeling Markiplier of Doom, with an orange mustache instead of pink. No mustaches. Mustaches are lame. Let's move on. No offense, Markiplier. Anyway, let's, yeah, we're gonna actually, I'm gonna go ahead and, marquee select these guys and drag them forward. And we'll drag that down just a tad. That's a pretty good place to put the next part. So we're going to snap the cursor back to the center and get back out of that view. We're going to create a brand new piece of work. Brand new piece of model. It is going to be lovely. You're all going to love it. It is going to be called an arm. But to create this arm, people are going to love the arm. If they don't love the arm, I don't love them. That's not true. I love you all. If you don't love the arm, I don't love the arm, and I'll delete it and make a new one. Let me look here. No. That's actually what we're going to do. Instead of putting the 3D cursor in the very center like that, or the origin of the object in the very center like that, what we're really going to do is we're going to rotate around to the side and move it over here. Not that far away from the arm, though, because that's going to be kind of stupid. We're going to scale that bad boy down in edit mode now, and we're going to move it up. We kind of just want it to be in the general specific location of what an arm might actually be. So we're going to move it over here to the left, and we're going to tab back into edit mode and zoom in so we can see what we're doing. And there we go. I am hearing all sorts of Molly Jane is responding. What is Molly Jane saying in her response? Molly Jane has to say, why am I saying her name over and over again? People probably don't appreciate their name being called that many times in a row. What do we got here? Molly says, I'd love to, but I can't. She is busy with other obligations. That is perfectly fine. That is perfectly fine, and we should tell them it's perfectly fine. That is okay. I will see you next stream. Hashtag I am making a robot. That is wonderful. Okay. Back to the robot. Back to our robot. Back in Blender to the robot. We're going to zoom back out and we're going to check the chat real fast because I haven't done that in a while. The arm looks like a cube. It does look like a cube. That's probably because it is a cube. And we're going to go ahead and zoom. We're going to go ahead and get out of ortho into perspective again. And I'm going to create an arm panel. How do I create this arm panel? Well, I will scale this bad boy down a little bit further and I will scale that on X about that direction. Let's see here. We're going to add some loop cuts. So let's add a couple of loop cuts. Loop cut there, loop cut there. Is that in the right place? No, that's not in the right place. I'm going to put that loop cut there. There we go. That's a decent place to put a loop cut. What do you guys think? Nobody cares what you think. No! Okay, there we go. And we'll scale that down on a direction that is not X. That's right. We're going to shift X, scale that, and you know what? No, that's too tubey. That's too tubular. Totally tubular, dude. Freshamundo tubular. Okay, I am going to wow, I am truly a testament to the dumb side of Markiplier. Nope, still says it looks like a tube. Or cube, whatever the word is. 2 people watching. Am I one of the people watching? I think I'm one of the people watching. I don't think there are anybody else here. I have some responses on other places. Are you on the live stream, though? If you're on the live stream, then I guess I found my second person. What is going on over there? The Tyler is saying words to the me. Uh-oh. Okay. There's my mouse. Hello, mouse. There's my mouse. What do you want over there? Oh, he got church too, so he's gonna go. That is perfectly fine. Go to bed around 11? What time is it now? It is... If I could read this thing, it is 10 o'clock. That's what time it is. Sorry, I have my thing in Army time, and as you all know, that Army time is 24 hours a day, which means I am running on 2,200 hours. And actually it's 2219, but either way, 2,200 hours means 10 o'clock, and it took me a moment to process that crap. Let's see if other people want to join the live stream before I continue the live stream. Boink. Boink, 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 boink. Oops. Oh, no, wait, that's exactly what I meant to do. Just take the dang thing. I'm a what who? You kind of have to be a little bit energetic in order to do this kind of thing. If you do not have energy doing this kind of thing, you will crash and burn it, and it will be glorious. The tales of your failures will be glorious, and everybody around you, you will be glorious. I think things are glorious right now. What do you think? I belong on a game show, you say? Well... then you win a new car! We all wish we won a new car, but that is not how life works. How should I make this arm panel? I really don't know. I'm gonna tab back over into the chat and ask people, how do you people think I should do the arm panel? How should I do the arm panel? I will wait. Go ahead and tell me what you think I should do to it. Because at this moment, it's nothing but a cube subdivided into two directions, and it's kind of lame. There are people on Facebook responding again. What do these people want? That is a live stream. That is what it is, and I will tell you that that's what it is in like 2 seconds. And I drew some old people. Did you? I want to see the old people. Show me the old people you drew because I told you to draw some old people. This is a live stream of me making a robot in Blender. It is live now. I misspelled Blender and misspelled. Right, people can't hear me talking to people about... No, wait, they do know because I said it out loud. Because I responded to you with your own words, because otherwise people have no idea what I'm talking about, and if they have no idea what I'm talking about, then they're going to just be like, what? If people have no idea why I'm saying that, it's because I'm hearing myself in the live stream, and I'm kind of hearing myself going back to where I said, and you win a new car, and it's kind of weird. Yeah. Okay. People are responding. What are people responding with? People are responding. I'm going to go to live chat to find out. He says, make it look good. That is extremely insightful. Thank you, Tyler. Thank you, Tyler. Your insight is just phenomenal. Okay. Let me see. What can I do? That's what I should do. I will make a half panel, and it will look sexy. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, people on Skype? This arm is going to look sexy. Where is the button I'm looking for? It is cursor to selected. That is the one I'm trying to do, and once I hit it, I'm gonna hit period on the keyboard, switching my pivot point from local to 3D cursor, and then I'm gonna tab back into edit mode because I couldn't have done that if I wasn't in edit mode. And then I'm gonna go ahead and select my 4 edges here, the actual edges, not the vertices, and bang! There we go. And I'm going to scale that on not X in every direction. There we go. And that looks circular enough to me. So now that that looks circular enough to me, I'm going to scale that back up on everything but X. There. That's what we're gonna do. And let's we're gonna control R here and make a couple of edge loops. There we go. Oh, come to think of it. Yeah, that's not preferable. Let's make that the other direction. So we're going to grab all of that, and we're going to rotate that on Y by 90 degrees. Whoa! I forgot that I did that the wrong way. Undo. Yipes. We're going to go back to Control, comma, and then we're going to try that again. And this time it should look. This time it should work like not stupid. Wait, that should have worked like not stupid anyway. Yeah. So what happened there? 90. I probably hit grab by accident because that just rotated exactly the way it was supposed to the first time. But now if I do that on Z there, wonderful. So now if I rotate that back on by -90, Now if I grab that on double Z, if I grab that on double Z, then we get that moving up and down across, which is going to be perfect because that's exactly how that's supposed to look. Whew, okay. That looks nice. Let's go back to our chat. See how the chat looks. The chat has people. Why does the chat have people? Because people are actually watching. Why are you talking like that? I'm talking like that because it causes energy. Energy is good, right? It doesn't remind you a little bit of Markiplier? Maybe I should stop it. The arm looks like a cube. We already said that. Make it look good. We said that too. Hi. JK. Why are you talking like that? I don't know either. Okay. I have caught up with the chat. Who is that even? I don't know who that is. Is that Corey? I think it's Corey. No, wait, it's probably Hallie. I don't know which. Hello, Corey Hallie. That is your new name. Or Hal Corey. Or Corhal. Or Corley. I'm going to stop that. Now we're going to go ahead and go back to Blender and continue making our robot arm. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn it into smooth shading because that's going to look prettier. Much, much prettier than the bullcrap that we've got right now. And let's go ahead and auto smooth that and adjust the angle. If the angle doesn't fit the rest of the model, we're going to have a problem. Also, does the rest of the model even have a material? It does not have a material. Let's add a material. The material is straight white. Okay. That also has the same material. Does that? Yes, it does, and so does that. Oh, they all have that material. I get it. They just weren't using nodes. Now this arm has the material and it is up to the same par, but it's not smooth like the other thing is. So let's go ahead and make that smooth. Let's adjust the angle so that it's not zero. Zero angle is lame. Now that the live chat vocals have caught up, let's see what the thing says. The thing has not changed, so we're gonna go back to Blender and we're going to adjust the angle here until we get a visual that we are happy with. We want this guy here, the arm, to match the prettiness of the panels we have on the other side. Can you even see my cursor in there? I don't think you guys can see my cursor. Oh well, we're going to adjust forward until we can't see some of that. A little further. Come on. Whoa, just a tad more. Back, forward, back, forward. I see. Okay. So I like it better this way, even though this way kind of has that thing going on. But that's okay, because I got some cool ideas for that. So what we're going to do here in edit mode, we're going to add a solidify modifier. And that solidify modifier is going to give us, where is it? Solidify. That solidify modifier is going to give us a little bit of thickness, just like we have on the other panels. We'll probably apply that later and come up with some kind of decorations or stuff. Let's go back to the live chat. Keep up with the chat. The chat says nothing new. Okay. And we got nothing on the other panels either. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to adjust that thickness just a tad. How big? Let's try 0.5. Whoa! That is way too much. 1. That is way too much. 0.05. 0.05 is kind of thick, but it's much better than what we just had. 0.03. 0.03 looks about where I need it. No, we're gonna go with 0.02 or something. 0.02, 0.01. I think that's where it had us earlier. I will go with 0.02. 0.02 sounds perfectly good to me. Did I accidentally did 0.03. 0.02. There we go. 0.02 has the exact perfect thickness. And then we can add some beautiful little details later. Probably have like a couple of edge loops across. I can't show you. Why can't I show you? Oh, because I hit FNR. I hope that didn't do anything stupid. Control R, and we're going to do about 3 loops, just to give you a perspective. That's about where we want these, and then I would like scale those across here, and have stuff going on here. Yeah. That's about what I would be going for. But we're not going to do that now. So I'm going to undo all of that. Let me see if the live chat has anything to say. The live chat has nothing to say. And there are people in the house, which means I am going to have to mute us for a moment. Oh crap, I do not have a mute button set. Let's see if I can't create some mute settings. We're gonna say shift, comma, or shift that. Perfect.